everybody, today in this home simulator, we are going to get the Windy Bee. Not by doing, how do I turn off the screen? Not by doing Hilda, but not by doing that. By spending money. Sad face. Alright, so yeah. Spackle. Alright. Twist on my mouse. Alright, here we go. Let's 3, 2, 1, boop. Windy Bee, let's go. Windy Bee! Yeah, we got it. We got it. Switch out for you, buddy, and Windy Bee egg. Put it, transform Cool Bee into Windy Bee. Yep. You hatched a Windy Bee! Alright. Wait, what if gifted Windy Bee? Alright, that's amazing. Alright. So let's go. Let's go get some treats. Gotta feed the Windy Bee. Alright, Windy Bee, this is all for you. Let's go give him some treats. He's right there, boop. Okay, how much did you deliver? Oh, 20. Where are you? Oh, you look so sad. Oh, yeah, first place. Hey, first place. Oh, Ringclaw. Yes. That's awesome. I love this. Honestly, it's rain like tornado ability. Where is he? Where did he go? I need to see him. Where did he go? I need to go into over here. Where are you, mate? Oh, there you are. You're the first place. Sparkle. You're making. I'm waiting for you to do this. Let's see what you got. Windy Bee is. Oh, rain cloud. Another rain cloud. When are you gonna use your tornado ability? Did you go, little Windy Bee? Alright, let's see. Windy Bee, make something soon. Let's see. He's making. Oh, white pollen. It's the windy white pollen. Oh, tornado! Yes! Look at all that! Oh, yeah! Look at that. I want to see what happens with a sprout. Oh my god, that tornado is going on for so long. It's giving me so much pollen, too. Wow. Windy Bee is awesome. I want to get the second. I want to get the first. That's what I did. And look what we have. Oh, yes! Already, get all this stuff. But yeah, start 6 months. Royal Jelly. Oh yeah, Windy Bee. You're my new favorite Windy Bee, dude. Windy Bee, you're my new favorite bee. I need to get you to level 8, Windy Bee. Let's go. Yes, Windy Bee, let's try him out. So, where is he again? Wait, should look. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Oh. Alright, tornado time. Gotta sweep. That's right, tornado time. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Epic. How did I do that? Oh. Should stop using those spots. I bought this from there. Awesome. Love it. Oh, that dude has a gifted rage bee. Comment down below. Should I get gifted Windy Bee or gifted Cobalt or Chrisman Bee? Comment down below your thoughts. Come on. Oh, treat, and more treat, and epic, and alright. Let me see the tornado. Oh, rain cloud. And stump field. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Boom. I'm a bear. Beep. Check me out. What? Alright, another tornado. Oh yes, good. What if my Windy Bee battles Windy Bee? Alright, so wait, who was sad? Not Windy Bee. This is my Windy Bee. Beautiful little Windy Bee first place. Oh, I love this. I love it so much. Alright. Let's see. We need you to be. I haven't checked on you already. Oh, you're almost there. So this goes there. And this goes to you. It's actually like really close. This goes to you. I can't believe we got another event view. Event view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 event views. I had this guy with the gifted Windy Bee. OP. I bet. Gifted everything. Or do you have a Windy Bee? What? This dude doesn't? Probably because he doesn't spend Robux. But it was worth it to spend my Robux. Because it was good. You're letting me that $10. Okay. That was good. Where do we need to go? Yeah, let's work on some stump snails. I know how he attacks. And another one came. There's 3. What are you doing? Ah! Is this? Oh! Stump snail, what are you doing? He's punching me. He's slapping me in the face with his face. All right, let's go. Oh, did the server just? Okay. Right. Oh no. Where's Windy Bee? Where's Windy Bee? Oh my god. But anyways, let's see Windy Bee. Oh, you're so shiny, little gold. Dude. Come on, wake up. We're going to. Windy Bee, let's go. I'm not paying attention to any other video right now, but. Epic Sprout. Treat. Another treat. That. Oh, some haste. You got the Whitfield almost. Okay, no, it goes in a pattern. So next, it's gonna be tornado, I bet. Yep. Goes in pattern. Cloud, then white boost, then tornado. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Windy Bee is happy. Let's see. Are you gonna generate? Yep, and then it's gonna be tornado. Something right. Something right. Should I post it to this one, Wikipedia? Probably someone's already figured it out. And yeah, someone definitely figured it out already. What? Okay, it can sometimes be 2 boosts or a tornado or some other things. Okay, so then we don't know if the pattern is right or wrong, or it's just a coincidence that the pattern was that the way. What are you doing, What are you doing, Wendy B? What are you doing? I'm following you. You got 3 white boosts. That's actually kind of good. This is kind of good. Wendy B's got another white boost. Times 4. No, it's Rain-Cloud. Then it must be Tornado. It's gotta be Tornado next. Nope. It's that again. Wow. Wendy B, you haven't had a tornado in a while. In a little bit. Let's see. So, ding, the thing is right there. And it just got another white boost. Okay, tornado time. Whoa, yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah, I'm in the tornado. Wait. Okay, we got a token. I was like, the tornado just activate tokens? On it, make that a thing. Because that would be awesome if you had a lot of tokens around the field. To collect one. When the Wendy Bee gets a tornado, make it have the tornado collect tokens and activate them for you. But still, the Wendy Bee is sick. Rain Cloud, or the Rain Cloud Mountaintop. Come on, this thing right now. But I'm gonna try to get the boots. We can probably get the boots. Just need 8 million more. Couldn't even get 11 million. That would be cool. Wow, we got a lot. We get under there. Wait, yeah, I just summoned another Wendy Bee. Wendy Bee versus what? What did it just do? I pushed the W. I pushed the S. Whatever. Wait, does it? S. Boop. Wait, we had the sunflower badge. Yeah, I don't have the clover badge. Boop. So ticket and ticket and ticket and ticket. Gumdrops and gumdrops. Royal jelly. It was a good try. A little bit. Where are we going? I wish we could go up there. But the Wendy Bee's gonna help us get up there. We need to go to Clover Badge. We're almost done with the Clover Badge. Are we? Yep. Yeah, we just have like 300,000 more to go. That'll be easier with the Wendy Bee. Wendy Bee, let's see your attack. Oh, yeah. Why make a little swirl? Right, where are you, Wendy Bee? Oh, you're right here. Let's see what you make. Oh, I got festival gifts from me. We got the white boost. Good, cool. Brown bear, I mean black bear, I mean black bear, or I mean black bear, or I mean black bear. Wait, we literally just jumped up there. Oh wait, what? That means we could. No way. That's so OP. I could probably jump that wall. And even up there. Alright.